Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to pay 0 Ethereum gas fees. First, open web browser on your device. Now search for ethereum.org on the search bar. Here, a web page opens. Go to gas and fees. You can read transactions and EVM here as prerequisite. Then search for DeFi Saver in a new tab. From the page that opens, tap on Go to App. Again, open a new tab. This time, search for DApp Online. Now install this app from the Google Play Store. In the end, go back to Ethereum main page. At the right side of the page, you can find content related to payment of Ethereum gas. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.